Topic: Talking about daily routine.
Okay, serious question. Why is it so hard to answer one simple question in English?
Which question?
What do you do every day?
Oh, yes, the daily routine question.
Exactly. My brain suddenly stops working. I know wake up, I know eat breakfast, and then nothing.
And then panic mode starts.
Yes, my mouth says, I waking, breakfasting, going office?
Breakfasting is actually adorable.
Thank you. Please support my broken English.
Don't worry. After this episode, you'll talk about your daily routine naturally and confidently.
Without sounding like a robot textbook?
Exactly.
Okay, guys, this video is going to help a lot.
Intro. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast.
Welcome back, friends.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Today, we're talking about one of the most useful English topics ever.
Daily routines. This topic is everywhere. Job interviews, school, IELTS, new friends, English speaking practice.
Even random strangers ask this question.
Yes. Hi, what's your daily routine?
At this point, I think daily routine is more important than my blood type. Today, we'll help you speak naturally about your day using easy English.
And we'll practice together too.
So relax, listen carefully, repeat after us.
And if you enjoy this podcast, subscribe and join our English family.
All right, let's begin.
Section 1, morning routine.
Okay, Paul, let's start with mornings.
Ah, yes, the painful part of life.
You don't like mornings?
Emily, my alarm clock and I are enemies.
What time do you wake up?
Honestly, around 7:30.
That's not too bad.
For me, it feels like 3 a.m.
Okay, everyone, listen carefully.
Common sentences.
I wake up at 7:30. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast.
See, these sentences are short and easy.
Exactly. Don't try to sound too complicated.
That was my mistake before.
What did you say?
I proceed towards the bathroom for dental cleaning activities.
Paul, you sounded like a washing machine manual.
I know.
Speaking practice. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. I wake up at 7.
Nice.
I brush my teeth.
Good job.
I take a shower.
Easy, right?
Mini story. Let's make it natural with a small story.
Stories help a lot.
Okay, listen. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. I drink a glass of water and check my phone for a few minutes. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and make coffee.
That sounds so peaceful.
Real life is less peaceful.
Because of emails?
Because of my cat screaming for food.
Animals always act.
Section 2. Breakfast and morning habits. Now let's talk about breakfast.
My favorite topic.
What do you usually eat?
Honestly, tea and regret.
That's not breakfast.
Okay, fine. Sometimes eggs and toast.
Good.
Useful sentences.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I drink coffee. I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I skip breakfast. I check my emails. I listen to music in the morning.
Usually is a very useful word.
Yes. You can say, I usually wake up early. I usually drink coffee. I usually go to work by bus.
Easy English sounds more natural.
Exactly. Funny moment.
Can I confess something?
Always.
Sometimes I open the refrigerator
Uh-oh.
and forget why I opened it.
That's not an English problem. That's a human problem.
Thank you for understanding my suffering.
Repeat after me. Okay, everyone, repeat naturally. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I eat breakfast before work. Sometimes I skip breakfast.
Perfect.
Section 3. Going to work or school. Now let's continue the day.
Time for work, sadly.
How do you go to work?
By bus.
Good. Listen, everyone.
Useful expressions.
I go to work at 9 a.m. I go to school by bus. I drive to work. I walk to school. I work from home. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5.
Simple and useful.
Exactly.
Real-life conversation.
Let's do a natural conversation. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I usually take the bus.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and attend meetings.
Very natural.
And no breakfasting.
We are improving.
Mini story. Commuting. Okay, let me tell a story. One day, I was late for work.
What happened?
I woke up late, I missed the bus, then I bought coffee,
Okay.
and accidentally spilled it on myself.
No!
So I arrived at work smelling like coffee and sadness.
Coffee and sadness sounds like the title of a movie.
Section 4. Afternoon routine.
Now let's move to the afternoon. Common sentences. I eat lunch at noon. I take a short break. I talk with my coworkers. I study English in the afternoon. I feel tired after lunch.
Oh yes, the sleepy time.
Especially after a big meal.
My brain stops working after rice. English tip.
A lot of learners say, I am taking lunch, but natural English is, I eat lunch.
Ah, good tip.
You can also say, I have lunch. I eat lunch with my friends.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after me. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I take a short break. I study English in the afternoon.
Very good.
Section 5. Evening routine. Okay, evening time.
Finally, freedom.
What do you usually do after work?
Honestly, I lie on my bed and question my life choices.
That sounds healthy.
Then I watch YouTube videos for 5 minutes.
Which becomes 3 hours.
Exactly.
Useful evening phrases. I go home at 6 p.m. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I relax after work. I exercise in the evening. I spend time with my family. I study English before bed. These are very common expressions.
And very useful for conversations.
Mini dialogue. What do you do in the evening?
I usually cook dinner and watch TV.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I practice for 30 minutes before bed.
Nice answer.
Emotional encouragement. Can I say something serious for a moment?
Of course.
A lot of people feel embarrassed when speaking English.
That's true.
But honestly, even small sentences are powerful.
Absolutely.
If you can say, I wake up at 7, I go to work, I eat dinner with my family, that's real communication.
Perfect English is not the goal.
Connection is the goal.
Aw, that was beautiful.
Thank you. I become emotional after dinner.
Section 6. Night routine. Okay, let's finish the day. Useful night expressions. I take a shower before bed. I brush my teeth. I read a book. I scroll on my phone. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I fall asleep quickly.
Scroll on my phone is very modern English.
Yes, very natural.
Funny night story. Last night I said, I'll sleep early tonight.
And
Suddenly, it was 2 a.m. and I was watching videos about penguins.
classic internet behavior.
Why are penguins so entertaining?
That's a question science cannot answer. Repeat after me. Emily. I go to bed at 11. Section 9. Natural expressions. Now, let's sound more natural. Natural phrases. I'm not a morning person. I'm always busy in the morning. I usually have a busy day. I'm exhausted after work. I like relaxing at night. My routine is pretty simple.
My routine is pretty simple. Sounds very natural.
Exactly.
Section 10. Fun rapid questions.
Quick questions.
Oh no.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Wake up early or sleep late?
Sleep late.
Morning shower or night shower?
Both. I'm fancy.
My turn.
Okay.
How many alarms do you set? 3.
And how many do you ignore?
3.
Section 11. Listener practice.
Okay, everyone, your turn now. Answer these questions out loud. Questions. 1. What time do you wake up? 2. What do you eat for breakfast? 3. How do you go to work or school? 4. What do you do in the evening? 5. What time do you go to bed?
Don't be shy.
Even short answers are okay.
Practice every day.
Section 12. Motivation moment. Learning English is not about being perfect.
It's about speaking a little more every day.
1 sentence today.
2 sentences tomorrow.
And slowly, English becomes natural.
Trust the process.
Outro. All right, everyone, that's today's episode.
We hope this helped you speak more confidently about your daily routine.
Try using these sentences in real life today.
Talk to yourself in English,
Describe your day.
even if your cat ignores you.
My turn.
Before we go, answer this in the comments. What is one thing you do every single day?
We'd love to read your answers.
And if you enjoyed this podcast,
Like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and continue your English journey with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.